to our society, into our communities, then what for all these networking and other things are done? So my only just what concern is that when we are talking in the ODL way, as you said that ODL is dead and just what distance learning is long lived. You said ODL.
Open learning.
Open learning just what is. So we have now just what, as you said, that unless we get our things networked according to the need of the just what societies, need of the communities, all this halla gulla will be just what it's going on like that. But the primary just what problems are as is where is. So our because here a number of just what vice chancellors are here. Whenever we are initiating any certificate program, any diploma program, so that university has to concentrate on the local issues and the local problems, so that because of this fast just what networking system, our society and the nearby just what villages or the nearby just what factory people or the nearby just what the schools, middle schools, junior colleges, something that has to get networked to those things.
Exactly.
Otherwise, sir, this will go on like that only.
I agree with you. I mean, that is what we have to do.
This MOOC has nothing to bring any change in the just what this ODL system. It's only just what, but at the same time, if the faculty and the honorable vice chancellors, if now they don't focus on these basic issues, otherwise just what we are here for the 2 days. You have delivered really wonderful lectures. It made us enlightening in a big way. After a few days, we will forget all this. And it remains that as a conference only on 27th and 28th of just with, June 2016. So unless all these things are just brought in a holistic way, for the actual developmental just what thing, as you said, learning is only just what for the development, and then certain things learning from the just what development also. Unless we just club all these things, to me, I'm not opposing that we should not go for this, but at the same time, the networking of all these things should be done properly for our surroundings. For our surroundings.
Right.
So that's only my concern, and
No.
technology is to be used.
Your concerns are well appreciated. In fact, we are also giving also solutions, which we stated in a different way. Firstly, it is a global local. Learn globally, apply locally. So let the global development knowledge come to me, and I develop my locality in that way. The first global local model. Second point is, what is universal and what is age dependent? What was common for the tribal man, common for agrarian man, common for industrial man, and common for digital man? That we call universals, constants through ages. And that part, just like laws of nature, we search in science and find those laws are applicable everywhere on the earth, anywhere in the world, or universe. So those laws, finding those laws is a basic approach. In education also we have to find out those, which are the universals and which are the locals. And local can happen in different way. But a local must have a direction towards universals. That is one more point. Second point is, this is a change happening since ages. Man was living like other animals. We started recognizing, using our brain. Nearly 50,000-60,000 or 1 lakh year passed. We started to recognize people, we started to recognize noise and so on. Our culture or civilization is of last 10,000 years. Starting from tribal, coming to the digital. you'll find at every age transition or evolution, man has risen to the higher levels. A tribal man, agrarian man, with a knowledge of science of nurturing. And third one is industrial man, creating artificial machines, auto machines, and digital man, intelligent machines. This is a rising curve. And every time man has taken different horizons. That's what we call Purushartha. And if you cannot give that Purushartha to younger generation, nobody is going to look at you or me. That has to be given. So the 20 satellites in one rocket is an innovation, at least achieved in India, which gives you a space acquisition for global movement, which a universal movement. And this in ideas we have done it. When we say that our dharma is this and that, we always said Vishwamanava. Vishwa Hechi Ghara. I mean, yes, at one time we are local, at another moment we are universal. I mean, this is a part of our civilization. We are not to forget that part. We are never, because that is our bond. And this bond is in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. All those values, are we implementing them? And that we have to ask everybody. And if to implement it, possibly digital age is the right age. We can implement liberty, equality, fraternity, justice in a completely different way. We can organize society in a democratic way. I'm coming to the end. So this is a whole problem. It is a challenge. Creating this system is a challenge for everybody, you and me. And it is not over, will never be over. And that is the beauty of the whole challenge. If it is finished, then you will not know where to go. But if it is unfinished, ever expanding, then you will always have a horizon to capture. I think this is the whole point. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I have a thing. Sir, first, thank you very much for the brilliant ideas that you put forward. Secondly, sir, you were talking about the massification in the digital society. Can you see the possibility of the emergence of a reverse syndrome in terms of demassification in the digital society, sir? Is there a possibility of a depressed man, emergence of a depressed man in the digital society?
I think every time we are evolving, changing. This is evolutionary process. Right from the travel to the digital man, is it not an evolution? We'll be evolving, always. Brain gets evolved. That's how we are trying to match our learning processes with the brain processes. So this is the evolution process. And humanity has evolved right from the tribal or animal state to the digital stage. I think what you say is there. But now we are going from the massification to the personalization. That's how we call it mass personalization, which is not possible in the industrial stage, not possible in the agrarian stage, not possible in the tribal state. Only possible in digital state.
Thank you.
Combination of ages. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. So, from Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, I express my sincere thanks to Professor Ram Dakole sir for wonderful speeches, and Professor M. Bhaskaran, Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu Open University, for sharing this session. I express also sincere thanks to Professor Asha Kanwar for providing us, enlightening us on quality assurance theme. I express sincere thanks to all the participants for their keen attention and interaction. Thank you very much. Now we are breaking for the tea and refreshment, and we will assemble here within 15 minutes. Thank you.
Yes. I knew some of them earlier by chance. No, I gave a consultancy to the Tamil Nadu Agriculture.
Now recently.
No, long time.